Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's challenging level puzzle, and it's called Six Whisperer Diamond by Wook. And here are the rules. Normal Sudoku rules apply, which means fill every row, column, and box with the digits 1 through 9 without repeats. Digits along marked diagonals also do not repeat. There's also Six Whispers rule, which is adjacent digits along the dark green lines must differ by at least 6. So if you've played German Whispers, it's basically like German Whisper rule set, except that the difference is 6. So for example, if this were 2, if this were a 2, this would have to be an 8 or a 9, because 8 and 9 are the only digits that are at least 6 away from a 2. Sorry, it has to be here. This is 8 or 9. This is not 8 or 9. Apologies. This would not be adjacent to this. Yeah, this is adjacent to this cell. So this would be the 8 or 9. And that's how Six Whispers work. We also have Renban lines, where digits along a purple Renban line must form a set of consecutive digits in any order. So for example, this could be a combination of, say, like 2, 3, and 4, or it could be something like 7, 8, and 9, or 6, 7, 8, and 7. The order doesn't matter just as long as they form a set of non-repeating, again, it's non-repeating, consecutive digits in any order. And then we have thermometers, where digits on thermos are strictly increasing from the bulb to the tip. And we have a short one here. So that means this is greater than this, right? Because it has to be increasing from the bulb to the tip. So an example here could be 2 and like 9. That could work. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay. So, one thing we know is, similar to German whisper lines, Six Whisper lines must alternate between low digits and high digits, right? Because if you look at the digits which are low, which is 1, 2, and 3, they can only be next to the digits 7, 8, and 9 on a Six Whisper line, right? And instead of 4 and 6 only being next to one unique digit, well, okay, so these are all on the Six Whisper line in box 5. So the rest has to be 4, 5, and 6. So this is 4, 5, or 6. Which means this can never have, these both have to be in the same set. So they're both low or they're both high. So that means it's with 4 or 6 here. And this has to be either 2 and 3. Or this is 7 and 8. We're going to mark those as pink. We're going to mark the other ones as yellow here. So this is yellow, and this is yellow. This must be pink because it's next to a yellow. This must be yellow because it's next to a pink. And this must be pink because it's next to a yellow. These are the same set. So we're going to mark those as orange. This must be an orange then also, and this has to be... This actually has to be the same set. Or the same low or high, right? Well, we don't know anything there, though. These, I guess we'll make gray. Maybe we can make it green. I guess we make it green. These two are in the same set. Oh, well, there you go. These two are in the same set. It cannot be have 3 in the same set. Sorry, it cannot be these two as the same set, because if this were both pink, you would have 4 pinks in box 5, which we only have 3 in each set. So the oranges have to be yellow. and the greens have to be pink, which forces this to be yellow, which makes this pink, which makes this a yellow. So we have 3 yellows here. We have 3 pinks, and this must then be the 1 or the 9, pink. This is next to 2 unique numbers on a 6 whisper line, so it cannot be 3 or 7, so this is 1, 2, 8, or 9. This has to be the 1, 9, and these could be 2, 3, and 7, or 8, or 1, 9. This, well, we don't know. This is next to 2 unique digits on a 6 whisper line, so it's 1, 2, 8, or 9. This is next to 2 unique digits on a actually, and but it has to be 2, 3, or 7, 8 here. So this has to be a 1 and 9 specifically, which means this can't be 1 or 9. This can't be 1 or 9, so this is 2, 3, 7, 8. So one of these is a 2, the other one's a 3, or it's a 7 and an 8 pair, which means they have to be next to a 7 or a 3. So this must be a 1 or a 9 here, which makes this 2, 3, 7, or 8. This has to be 2, 3, 7, or 8 also. This is next to 2 unique digits on a 6 whisper line because of the diagonal. So this must be, cannot be 1, 9. It has to be 2, 8 here. And 2, 8 can only be next to 1, 9 or 2, 8 on a 6 whisper line. Because it'd be next to 1, 2 if it's 8, or if it's 2, this is next to 8, 9. Okay, this is next to 2 unique digits on a diagonal, but on a 6 whisper line. And these both cannot be pink, because then there'd be 4 pinks in this diagonal, and there's only 3 digits in the set. So these both have to be yellow. So this is yellow, this is pink. This then has to be 1, 2, 8, or 9 for pink. So this has to be start with a yellow. So, and it either starts with 1 or 9 or 2 or 8. So we know 5 has to be here. We're not sure which. But the rest, how many can there be? This is the pink 4, 6. I'm not sure if that's helpful, though. Oh, this is the yellow 2, 3, 7, 8. Well, if it's 2, 8, this one could be the 2, 8 here. If it's 3, 7, that means it would have to be here, though. This could be 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. But this can never be the 3, 7 yellow. If this is 3, 7 yellow, 3 cannot be next to 2, 7, or 8. 7 can't be next to 2, 3, or 8 or 7. So this can never be 3, 7. Therefore, we have a yellow 1, 2, 8, or 9, and another yellow 1, 2, 8, or 9 here, which means this has to be the yellow 3 or 7 to be with the pink 1, 9. This can no longer be the yellow 3, 7, so this has to be the yellow 2, 8. This can't be the yellow 2, 8 now, so this has to be the yellow 1, 9. This can't be the yellow 1, 9 because of the diagonal, and it has to be no repeat. So this is the yellow 2, 8, which forces this to be the non-yellow 2, 8. It has to be the yellow 1, 9, which forces this to be the yellow 2, 8, which has to be next to the pink 2, 8 because it cannot be next to the 3, 7. This can't be 2, 8, so it has to be next to the pink 3, 7. Therefore, and this can't be the yellow 2, 8, so it has to be the yellow 3, 7. Well, this Renban line needs to have a yellow 3, 7 here, which forces this to be the yellow 3, 7 because it has the yellow 2, 8 here, and it would have to have the yellow 3, 7. So this is yellow 1, 2, 8, and 9, yellow 1, 2, 8, and 9. Therefore, this could be the yellow 4, 6 or the pink 2, 8 or 5. If this is the pink 2, 8, it would have to be next to a pink 1, 9 or a pink 3, 7. So this can't be the pink 2, 8. If this is the yellow 4, 6, it could be next to a 5 or the yellow 3, 7. Or if this is a 5, it could be next to 4, 6. So those all work. Hmm. So the only remaining digits here are the yellow 4, 6, and there does need to be a yellow 4, 6 somewhere here. We need a 5 also. So one of these is 5. One of these is the yellow 4, 6. And then it could potentially have the other 4, 6 or the 1 and 9 for yellow. But we don't know for certain. This is 3 through 7 here. This is 3 through 7. Um, the yellow 2, 8 cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. Because it can't be on the Renban, because there's no repeats here. Can't be here because of normal Sudoku. Can't be here because this is the yellow 2, 8. So one of these is the yellow 2, 8, which means this can't be the yellow 2, 8. This is the yellow 1, 9. Which forces this to be the yellow 2, 8. Therefore, this cannot be the yellow 1, 9 here. And it has to be the yellow 1, 9. So one of these, well, we don't know. It could be one of these two or one of these two. Well, this can't be the yellow 1, 9. So this can't be 1 or 9 here either. So this could be the yellow 1, 9. Actually, one of these two is the yellow 1, 9. We're not sure which, though. Hmm. Pink 2, 8 is one of these two. We know there's a 5 somewhere here. Oh, this can't be 1 or 9. Well, actually, we don't know. We do know that 5 cannot be in the rest of the box. Oh, this has to be 5 here because it cannot be anywhere else on the line, on the diagonal. So this can't be 5. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Let's just remove that. It makes it unclear what it could be. This is 2 through 8. This cannot be the yellow 2 through 8, so therefore, and this yellow 2, 8 eliminates that and that as a possibility for the yellow 2, 8. So this must be the yellow 2, 8. Which eliminates 2 and 8 from the rest of the box. Now we have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triplet. Yeah, we have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 triplet here in row 5, which eliminates 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, this must be 1, 2, 1, 8, 9, and 2, 8, which means both of these are the pink 1, 9, and 2, 8. But if this, excuse me, if this is the pink 1, 9, that would mean this is the pink 2, 8, and therefore none of these could be the pink 2, 8. This can't be the pink 2, 8 because it sees it on the diagonal, and this can't be the pink 2, 8 because of normal Sudoku. So this can never be the pink 1, 9. This has to be the pink 2, 8, which forces this to be the pink 1, 9. So this cannot be the pink 2, 1, 9, or cannot be the pink 2, 8. It's the pink 1, 9. Okay. Pink 1, 9 can't be here. It could be one of these two. This is the pink 1, 9 here. This can't be the pink 1, 9. So this is also 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because it cannot be the yellow 1, 9, because those are on opposite sides, and that would never be able to fit the red man. 1, 9 can't, the yellow 1, 9 can't be here, here, or here, so the yellow 1, 9 must be here. This is 3 through 7 also. This could be the pink 1, 9. Any of these could be the pink 1, 9. This can, okay, yeah, we knew that couldn't be the pink 2, 8. This cannot be pink. Well, we have a 4, 5, 6 triplet in column 5, which eliminates 4, 5, and 6 from the rest of the column. So this is the pink 2, 3, 7, 8. Right? So one of these is blue. Sorry, one of these is a pink 2, 8, and the other one's the pink 3, 7. Well, one of these is the pink 2, 8. So where's the pink 2, 8 in box 7? Can't be any of these because either this is a 2, 8 or this is a 2, 8. Can't be any of these because this is a 2, 8 or this is a 2, 8, which means that it cannot be here, can't be on the line, can't be anywhere here, so this has to be the pink 2, 8. Which means pink 2, 8 is one of those two. Pink 2, 8 is one of those two. Hmm. So one of these two is the pink 3-7. Okay, this can only be 5 or the yellow 3-7. No, 5 or the pink 3-7. No, 5 or the yellow 4-6. Apologies. Which means this could be the yellow 3-7. If this is 5, then this could be either 4-6. We don't know which. This is 2. Wait, it can never have. Oh, right. The yellow 3-7 is here. Right, so we know this can't be 3 or 7. This can be 3 through 7 or 1-9. And this is cannot be the pink 1-9. So it's only 3 through 7. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Where is the yellow 2-8? It cannot be here. What's the yellow 3-7? Yellow 3-7 can be any of these. Could be any of these. It could be a wide variety of these. So this is either the yellow 4-6 or it's 5 because the pink 4-6 is here. Um, the pink 3-7 has to be one of these two cells. Well, that's all we know. Hmm. The pink, okay, so the pink 1-9 is one of these two cells. Hmm. Oh, wait, this can't be. Right, this has to be 2-8-2-8. Okay, that's where I was messing up. The yellow 3-7, any 3-7 cannot be next to a 2 or 8. And this same here, right? So this has to be a 2-8-2-8 pair. Which means this can't be 2-8. This is the pink 2-8, so this can't be 2-8. Therefore, this is the pink 2-8. So if this is 5, this would have to be the, well, one of these is the yellow 4-6. Hmm. So if this is the yellow 4-6, it could be next to yellow 3-7 or 5. If this is 5, it's next to the pink 4-6 because this has to be yellow 4-6 here. Okay. So this cannot be the pink 3-7 because if it is the pink 3-7, Well, we know it's here, specifically for the pink 3-7, right? Because none of these can be the pink 3-7. Therefore, this can't be 3 or 7. It has to be 4, 5, or 6. It's either the yellow or the pink 4, 6, or it's 5. The pink 3-7 has to be one of these three, right? Well, it can't be here, so it's either here or here, which means this cannot be the pink 3-7. None of these are the pink 3-7, so one of these three is the pink 3-7. One of these is the pink 3-7. Okay, what else do we have? This one of these is the pink 1-9. The other one has to be Oh, this is the yellow 2-8. So this can't be the yellow 2-8, which means this has to be the yellow 2-8. Yellow 2-8 cannot be here or here, so the yellow 2-8 has to be here. Which means the remaining yellow 2-8 cannot be here or here or here or here. So this is the yellow 2-8. What about the pink 2-8s? One of these two is the pink 2-8. One of these two is the pink 2-8. Okay, so one of these two is the pink 2-8. One of these two is the pink 2-8. And one of these two is the pink 2-8. So we have a pink 2-8 in rows 1 and 3 for boxes 2 and 3, which means the pink 2-8 in box 1 has to be in row 2. So this is pink 2-8. This cannot be yellow 1-9. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This could be the yellow 1-9 here, though. None of these can be 5. Okay. We have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quintuplet in column 8, which eliminates 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the rest of the column. So this must be 1, 2, 8, 9. This is 1, 2, 8, 9. And this is 1, 2, 8, 9. Well, it can't be 2 and 8 because of the 2, 8 pair. It can't be the yellow 1, 9, so it must be the pink 1, 9. So this is the pink 1-9. This can't be the pink 1-9, the yellow 1-9, or the yellow 2-8, so it must be the pink 2-8 here. Which means, where's the last pink 2-8? It has to be here, because we have 8 of them already. Therefore, this can't be the yellow 2-8, or the pink 2-8, or the pink 1-9, so this is the yellow 1-9. And since this is the yellow 1-9, where's the yellow 1-9 in box 2? It has to be here, because it can't be any of these, can't be any of these, can't be here. So this is the yellow 1-9. We also know the 5 has to be here, and the yellow 4-6 has to be here. So the rest has to be specifically 3, 4, 6, 7 pink, and 3, 4, 6, 7 pink here. Well, this can't be 3, 7 pink, so this is the 4, 6 pink. This can't be the 4, 6 pink, so this must be the 3, 7 pink. And now we have a 1-9 pair, a 2-8 pair, and a 3-7 pair all in row 3, which eliminates 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 9 in the rest of the row. So this must be 4, 5, 6. This is 4, 5, or 6, and this is 4, 5, or 6. Well, where's the pink 1-9? It cannot be here. It cannot be here. It has to be here then. So this is the pink 1-9 in box 3 specifically. That's what I was saying. Therefore, this cannot be the pink 1-9 here, which means we have to have the yellow 4-6 on this line, because you can no longer have a pink 1-9 here. Therefore, the pink 1-9 is one of these two. The pink 1-9 is one of those two. We don't know which. This is 3 through 7. This has to be a 4, 5, 6 triplet here. Which means this is either 1-9 or 3-7. So obviously this cannot be 1, and it can't be 3. So this has to be 7 or 9 here, right? If this is the 3-7, it's the yellow 3-7, which means pinks are low. So this would have to be 1 here, if that's the case. If this is 9, it's the pink 1-9, so this would be 7, which would mean this would have to be a 3 here. So either way, this is a 3. This cannot be 3. We have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 along this line also. This also has to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't know where the pink 1-9 is. Where's the yellow 1-9? It cannot be any of these, can't be any of these, so this has to be the yellow 1-9. Well, that's the yellow 1-9. This has to be the last yellow 1-9, which means this is 3 through 7. The pink 3-7 has to be either here, here, or here. Which means this can never be the pink 3-7, and this can never be the pink 3-7. Hmm. 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 Where's the last yellow 3-7 in row 1? It has to be here. So this is the yellow 3-7. The pink 3-7 has to be one of these. So it's 3-7 with 4, 5, or 6. There's also a pink 3-7 in one of these cells. So there cannot be a pink 3-7 here or here. Right? This is yellow 3-7, which means none of these could be the yellow 3-7. Where is the yellow 3-7 then? It has to be here because you can't, this is not a 3 or 7. This has to be the yellow 3-7. Therefore, the pink 3-7 has to be one of these two. Yellow 3-7 can't be here, cannot be here. It has to be somewhere along the line. So it's one of those two. Yellow 3-7 cannot be here. Yellow 3-7 cannot be on the line, so one of these two must be the yellow 3-7. Which means this can't be the yellow 3-7, which means this has to be the yellow 3-7. Which means the yellow 3-7 then has to be here. Which makes this the yellow 3-7. So therefore, all the yellow 3-7s are 3s. This has to be the pink 1 or 9. So yellow 3-7s are all 3s. The pink 3-7s are all 7. Oof, that's a lot. Let's go through the yellow 1-9s. They all have to be low. So they're 1. All the pink 1-9s are 9. So this is a 9, which makes this 9. All the pink 2-8s are 8. So these are all 8s, which makes the yellow 2-8s 2s. This has to be 7. This has to be 6. This is 7. 7. This has to be 6. So this is 4 and 5 here. This can't be 3, obviously. So 6 and 7 have to be here, which means this can't be 6. This is 4 and 5. These can't be 3 anymore. This can't be a 3. One of these two is a 7 here, so this can't be a 7 here. This can't be 3 or 6, so the 7 has to be here. 6 has to be one of these two. This can no longer have a 3, so these can't be 3 either. This can't be 3, this can't be 3. One of this is a 3, so it's 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, this one has to match whatever this is because it sees both of these two. So this is 4, 5, or 6 here. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not sure which. This can't be 6, though. These can't be 6. So this can't be 6. This is 4, 5. These can't be 6 anymore. This can't be 3 or 6. This can't be 6. This can't be 7. This can't be 6, and this can't be 6. So we have a 4, 5 pair here in box 9, which eliminates 4 and 5 from the rest of the box. This has to be 6 or 7. This is 4, 5. We have a 4, 5 pair in row 2, which eliminates 4 and 5 in the rest of the row. So this can't be 4 or 5, which means this is 7. This can't be 4, 5, or 7, which makes that a 6. This can't be 6 anymore. These can't be 7. This is a 4, 5, 4, 5 pair, which forces this to be not 4 or 5 because of the pair. So this is 7, which makes this 6 because that's next to a 7. This cannot be 7 anymore. And these can't be 6. So this one can't be a 6. It's 4 or 5. This is not 4 or 5. It has to be, because of the 4, 5 pair. It can't be 6. It has to be 3. So this is a 3, which means this can't be 3. So this is a 3 here. We have a 4, 5 pair here, which eliminates 4 and 5 from the rest of the row. So this must be 7, which means this can't be 7. This can't be 3 or 7. This can't be 7. We have a 4, 5 pair on this ren band, which eliminates 4 and 5 from the rest of the ren band. So this has to be 6. This can't be 6. This can't be 7. We have a 4, 5 pair in box 1, which eliminates 4 and 5 in the rest of the box. So this must be 7. This must be 6. 3 has to be next to 4 on the ren band. So this is 4, which makes this 5, which makes this 4. This can't be 4 or 5, so it must be 6. This can't be 4, 5, or 6, so it must be 7. This can't be 5 or 7, so this must be 4. This can't be 4, 5, or 7, so this must be 6. And the rest we can probably do from Sudoku. So this is 7, this is 6. This can't be 4 anymore, so this is 5. This can't be 4 or 6, so this is 5. This can't be 5, so this is 4, which makes that a 5. That makes that a 4, which makes that a 5. Which makes that a 4, which makes that 5, which makes that 4, which makes that 5. This can't be 5 because of this 5, so this is now 4. This can't be 4 or 6, so this is 5, which makes that a 4, which makes that a 5. That's how you solve it. Yeah, decently straightforward. You just have, yeah, you basically are trying to figure out where each color's 1, 2, 3, and 7, 8, 9s are, right? Also, it does help a little bit with the 4. Well, I don't even know if I needed to color the 4 and 6s. We were really just finding the 1, 2s, 1, 2, 8, and 9s, and then the 3 7s, right? But very cool puzzle. Nice use of the 6 whisper line and the Renban lines, actually. And I hope you enjoyed this solve of this puzzle, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.